Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of more videos. And today I am on my channel because I wanted to share juicing recipes, and as always I will be sure to leave the information in the description. I'm going to put some of the lettuce with some of the blueberry and the raspberries, and I will put the amounts in the description as always. And I'm going to take a little more of the lettuce, and then the cucumber will go in. I'm going to juice this up. And the lettuce and the cucumber, and I have some ice. And I definitely smell the cucumber dominating. Okay, so let's try the blueberry and the raspberries and the lettuce and the cucumber and the turmeric. I definitely like it. Yeah, I like it. It's okay. You all enjoyed this lovely video. I'm so grateful when I can create these videos for you to nourish you and to help you to sustain your health and your well-being. As always, continue to be blessed, be true to yourself, be well. Peace Divine.